JB Kind has been glazing fire doors for more than 20 years within our own joinery workshop. Our experience and knowledge means that you can trust us to prepare your glazed fire doors to the very highest of standards. We appreciate the importance of fire safety, and you can be assured that we take our glazing service very seriously. To ensure compliance, aperture cutting and glazing must be factory prepared by JB Kind or a certifier approved door modifier. No site cutting of apertures is permitted, as this will invalidate the certification. Prompt and economical, we can work to tight deadlines if required. A choice of aperture dimensions are available to suit most situations, including Part M mobility. Bespoke requests may also be accommodated. To find out more about our fire door glazing service, call us on 01283 554 197 or visit jbkind.com for more information.